Hello everyone, you are welcome to Omodemo Maths class. Today we have a problem to solve on probability. The question is, if a six-sided die is thrown once, what is the probability of you throwing an even number? And we know a die has six faces. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you throw a die, either one will appear, or 2, or 3, or 4, or 5. So the possible total outcome is 6. They are all 6. Now the question is, what of you picking an even number? Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The even number there are 2, 4, 6. So we have 2, 4, 6. They are even number. The probability of we pick an even number from this question is 1, 2, 3. It will be what? 3 over what? 6. So 3 here 1, 3 here 2. So the probability of you picking an even number when a first six-sided die is thrown will be equal to what? 1 over 2. So that is the final answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I remind myself, Omodiagbon, every Monday. Bye bye. Till we see you in the next class.